A tragic crash unfolded on Florida's Turnpike when 28-year-old truck driver Harjinder Singh attempted an illegal U-turn in a zone marked for official use only. His semi-trailer blocked all northbound lanes near mile marker 170, leaving a Chrysler Town and Country minivan with no chance to avoid impact. The collision was devastating. The 37-year-old woman passenger from Pompano Beach and a 54-year-old man from Miami died instantly, while the 30-year-old driver was rushed to the hospital, but later succumbed to his injuries. Singh and his passenger were unharmed, but he was immediately arrested and charged with 3 counts of vehicular homicide. Authorities revealed he had entered the U.S. illegally in 2018, yet obtained a commercial driver's license in California. ICE has issued a detainer, and he now faces both criminal prosecution and deportation. What should have been a simple decision on the road turned into a horrific tragedy, taking 3 innocent lives in seconds.